Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to change Flexi pipe, down pipe on a Seat Ibiza. It's the same on a Skoda Fabia and a Volkswagen Polo, exactly same system, same exhaust. First of all, you got to remove this under tray, which I've done already. It's literally held on with 6 torque screws. And it's not a full under tray, it just bolts on like on the front half, but it's going to get in our way, so it's better to remove it. So you need a 22mm spanner to crack this, which I've already done before. There you go. Just to remove the Lambo sensor. It's a very common problem on these cars. These fail when they start blowing. So I'm just gonna spray some WD-40 on all the bolts.
Something to eat or something?
Nah, bro, I'm good, man. So we're taking off all these bolts. There's 3 over here. 1.
Oh, you need a hand, or I'll just like walk around and come back?
Yeah, no, you carry on, bro. I'll be alright.
Yeah?
Yeah. So there's 3 bolts in here that I need to be removing as well. And there's the clamp at the end. So we need to take off these 3 nuts over here. There's 1, 2, and 1 back there. Can you see? Over there. So I don't, if you've got impact drive, I don't suggest using it straight away because these are so rusty they can snap off. So just use a ratchet first, yeah? As you can see, I've got all the 3 nuts out, and this one, even though I just used the normal hand power ratchet, it's snapped off. So we have to do something about that. Oh. So now that has come away, we need to take off this nut. So this was a 13mm nut, which I've taken off now. That should hopefully come loose now. Like so. Now we just got to tackle the 2 rubber bungs and the mid holes. I mean the mid sleeve over here. You have to disconnect this like so. Basically for the Lambo sensor, because you don't want to keep twisting the Lambo sensor in while that is connected, otherwise you're just going to mess up the wiring inside. So that's the Lambo sensor, got it off. Be very careful not to contaminate this. See if this is place it straight into the new one now. I'm going to tighten it off with the span. Okay, so going to be taking off this sponge first, the front one. As you can see, I've taken off the first one. This tool is a lifesaver, guys. I would suggest anyone changing exhaust to buy this tool. US Pro part number 6260. Trust me, these sponges here, anyone who knows who's changed the exhaust before, they are so difficult to take the exhaust off. But this, it makes it so easy. Just gonna take off one over here as well now. Look at how easy it is. Just push it like so. Yeah. See? How easy was that? This middle one's so rusty. I can't even see a bolt on it. Let's see how it goes, otherwise I might have to angle grind it off. The angle grinding it. Yeah, as you can see, I had to angle grind the old nut off. There was literally nothing on there. Don't even know what was holding this on. Literally rust. Don't know if I'm going to find another nut and bolt now. But the news is all the rust is out. As you can see, they're the same. So guys, I've just gone through my spare washers and nuts and stuff, and as you can see, I've made up a new set of, I found 2 bolts, 2 washers on that side and 2 washers on this side and a nut, so I'll be able to reuse this because we need this. Let's put the new one on. Customer put this bracket, but unfortunately the new exhaust that's come is exactly like the factory one. So normally aftermarket ones have a little slit here which leaves over the old exhaust, and then you can use one of these C-clamps to tighten up, but it's not the case with the one we have now. So anyway, I'm just gonna re-line up the middle pipe now, and then it's all done. I've sleeved the new exhaust in to this old housing, this sleeve, sorry. I haven't tightened nothing up, it's still loose, and I've put the first sponge in on this side, the bracket, just to keep it in place. Now I'm gonna go line up the front before we tighten everything up. So I'm just gonna line up this sponge as well. Hopefully I can do it one hand. Yep. Like so. Now you have to make sure you get this little bracket thing here. Oh, actually guys, I forgot to mention, I've taken this old thing out. This gasket, I'm going to be replacing that as well. The new one. The new one. It's the new one. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to use two hands. 1 second. Okay, so what I've done, I've sleeved on top. Just gonna temporarily put this nut on. Same as that one. So reconnect this lumbar sensor. Make sure you hear that click. Slides into there. It just slides into that thing there. Now I'm gonna try and put this bolt up in here. I'm gonna have to use two. You can see I'm gonna tighten that in, and then I'll tighten off with the ratchet. Everything's nice and tight and secure now. Just gonna go around now, simply putting some exhaust gasket paste between here. Obviously I'm not sheared off, so I'm gonna put a lot of paste there, but these two bolts will hold it down if I tighten them up firm. And I have to tighten up the last one over there, which is the sleeve, because it's all lined up in position. So yeah, then we'll get back to you once again. I have tightened it all up. We just on the engine as well, started the engine, checked it's all fine. Pasted it all up properly. Midsection as well, there's nuts and bolts that I improvised, they've worked perfectly. It's all nice and tight, it's beautiful. So yeah guys, this same exhaust applies to Skoda Fabia, Volkswagen Polo as well. It's the same way. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.